proudly again here interviewing one of the best students of my college. She is Utkarshini, my fourth year senior. Would you like to introduce yourself further?
Hi guys, I'm Utkarshini Singh from 4th year, Faculty of Law, University of Allahabad, and I'm here to share my experience of 4 moods in 3 years. So the first mood which I went to was GLC Mumbai, then CNLU Patna, then RGNUL Patiala, and then lastly Aligarh Muslim University.
My first question. How did you land in mooting? How did you start mooting?
Okay, so I started mooting obviously from my college. I just somehow I was not very confident that I could do mooting in my college. But then somebody, with the help of other people, I made my memorial. Then I was
In first year?
yes, in
Do you
first
have any
semester.
prior experience of public speaking?
Yes, I was into debating and elocution in my school also. So that was a plus point for myself. And secondly, the other thing was I was not very intelligent. So I did not have that confidence that I could do well because they would only ask me questions relating to the constitution. But somehow I went there and then with the flow it happened. And I remember my first move was for 45 minutes. That is 4 hours. So, and then मैं अपने कॉलेज में फर्स्ट आ गई थी. I had the confidence कि अब मैं कर ले जाऊँगी.
Okay, next question. What interests or excites you about mooting?
Mooting is I think I'm very passionate towards mooting because if you ask me if a teacher would ask me कि contract का एक कोई section याद कर लो, I will not be able to. I will not be able to. फिर आप मुझे 1 हफ्ता दे दिए or 1 month. But then you ask me to read a 300-page judgment, I could do it in 1 night. So that's how I love, because I love attention so much. I love going in front of so many people talking. And not many people know that I'm not a very confident girl. Even when I stand, I'm in 4th year, even when I stand in front of the judges, I shiver. But that is your confidence, that you have to show the other person that you're not nervous.
The next question. What skills is mooting there?
Mooting, that I really wanted to talk to people regarding this because people have many assumptions because like the first and the most important thing about mooting is the knowledge of law. Secondly, how well you are able to convince the lordship, that is the judges, that as what you are saying. It shouldn't happen that you are talking about Article 32 and they are getting you are talking about Article 33. So it should be very clear. And there is an assumption between people that only those mooters can do well who are very good in English or who have a very good vocabulary. That is only a myth. I've seen a team winning a national moot, and I won't name the team, but they were pronouncing constitution as constitution. They were not able to pronounce it, but they won only because their knowledge of law. So the most important thing about mooting is the knowledge of law, your confidence. Don't be overconfident because then you will piss off the judges and they will smash your head. If you're nervous, they will be polite to you because even they understand कि आप लोग छोटे बच्चे अभी आए हैं, so they'll be very sweet to you. But if you're overconfident, then they'll give you a good one. And one more thing that we always hear from people कि ये सोच के जाना जजेस को कुछ नहीं आता है, ये सोच के जाना ऐसे बोलना तो कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. ऐसे कभी मत सोचिएगा क्योंकि जजेस को चाहे जितना कमाए आपसे बहुत ज़्यादा.
I agree.
So don't try to fool the judges. Just try कि आपको इतना आता है तो आप इतने अच्छे से आप जजेस को कन्विंस कर लीजिए इतने में ही कि that should leave an impact for the judges.
We answered like with 3 questions in 1 question, but that's good. No problem.
I love mooting. I love talking.
Any interesting experiences in moot? Specific.
Obviously, I will just tell you the difference. In my first moot, when we went to the first moot, in my first round, we did it really well. We were not very prepared. I was in first semester. In my second round, I was a respondent. I did not know anything. It was about NJC bill. I did not know anything. And when the first speaker from the other team, she came to the podium, she started speaking. I turned to my moot partners and I told them, भाई मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ. मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ, तुम लोग चाहे हम लोग डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाए. ये इतना अच्छा बोल रही थी. She was from Symbiosis Noida. So I was like मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ, मैं काँप रही थी. But then in the last mood, that is, yeah, sorry,
No, that's fine. Actually, that's the same thing happened in my first moot.
So, and even in my first mood, I remember when the judges asked me a question. I did not know. I was looking at my partners. He would give me some hints. So the judges said, yeah, you can consult with your partner. So I thought that he is asking me to go and consult with my partner. I left the podium. I went to my partner. He was 1 meter away. हाँ बताओ क्या क्या हो रहा है क्या वहाँ से मुझे जज बुलाए, वापस आओ इसको बुलाए, लड़की कहाँ पागल भाग गई है. And then the best thing about mooting is win a moot, because then you'll feel like a celebrity. Because when we won in the Aligarh Muslim University, we were the celebrities there. I mean, we were standing in the middle of the hall, and everybody was around us. Be it the teachers, be it the students, be it the staff. And the difference is, when we go to any college, be it national universities, I've gone to national CNLU Patna and Patiala also. When we reach there, when they ask us, you are from which college? Allahabad University. Oh, Allahabad University. Then we made to the quarters in both Patna also and Patiala also. And they were, oh, you're from Allahabad University. I knew you would do good. Because it is a central university. Oxford of East, Allahabad University. Wow, guys. So that's the difference. So, and in Aligarh Muslim University, the same thing happened. They were like, Allahabad University, wow, हमें तो पता था आप लोग जीतेंगे. And then when we reached there, nobody was looking at us. Allahabad University, हटाओ इनको, पीछे वाला room दे दो, इनको कोने वाला. So that is the difference. But win a moot, because then you'll feel like a celebrity. The judges will come and talk to you. The judges of the High Court, they will come and talk to you. So that's the best thing about winning the moot. Feel like a celebrity, because I think mooting is the only interesting thing which takes place in a law college.
Is there anything you wish you had done differently?
I wanted to wear skirt in my formals, but I couldn't. So that is the only thing I regret. Because when we went to Aligarh Muslim University in our finals, we took a skirt, लेकिन वहाँ पे हम लोग डर रहे थे कि नहीं, maybe they won't allow, so we would सलवार कुर्ता. अभी तक मैंने skirt नहीं पहनी है, so that is the only regret. Otherwise we don't regret. I mean, अभी तक ठीक चल रहा है. The graph is like good. Everybody wants to win some moots, but एक भगवान की कृपा से हमारी झोली में आ गई.
Okay, ma'am, what would you recommend to someone like me? Like, I've done 2 nationals, 2 inters. What would you recommend to me?
I would recommend you to keep doing it. I think when you win a moot, or even if you don't, the only thing which matters is your experience. A person with experience, I mean, your experience can never fail. I mean, आपको अगर इतनी नॉलेज है, शायद वो आपको कभी कोई बता दे कि कम है और ये, लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस कभी खराब नहीं जाता है. बिकॉज आई हैव डन mooting. अगर आई एम सिटिंग हियर एंड टॉकिंग, तो आई नो कि ये यूट्यूब पे जाएगा और लोग मेरा मजाक भी उड़ा सकते हैं. बट दिस कॉन्फिडेंस आई हैव ओनली बिकॉज going to so many places, and then you meet so many new people there, and don't stop mooting. So I would suggest everybody, and influence your juniors or your other friends to keep on doing, keep on mooting, क्योंकि mooting is like the experience itself pays off, and आप बाद में यही सारी चीज़ें रहती हैं जो आपको याद रखेंगी, क्योंकि मार्क्स कभी मैटर नहीं करते. मैं ये इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे मार्क्स नहीं आते हैं, तो मैं बस इसी में भौकाल में रहती हूँ कि सब हम लोग जो अच्छे मूड कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग. कीप mooting, मेक योर कॉलेज प्राउड. इवन इफ यू डोंट विन, इट डज नॉट मैटर, क्योंकि लास्ट में एक्सपीरियंस मैटर करता है. और जब आप अच्छे मूड्स करिए, ये मूड्स मत करिए ये सोचिए कि अरे यार छोटे कॉलेज चले जा रहे हैं, वहाँ जीत जाएंगे, क्योंकि फिर वो CV में काम भी नहीं आएगा, क्योंकि वो भी इतने इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं कि अच्छा छोटी मूड कर करके आई हमें बता रही है. सो दैट
Thank you. Okay, ma'am, a question. Do you have a favorite mooter, and what did you learn from that person?
my favorite mooter. Okay, I think my favorite mooter is Tanya Pandey.
Yes, ma'am.
I've seen her. I mean, एक बार उन्होंने मुझे इंटरजेक्ट भी किया था डिबेट में, जिसकी वजह से मैं हार गई थी, बट दैट डज नॉट मैटर. शी इज़ एन अमेजिंग mooter. I mean, मैं कितना उनकी मिमिक्री करती थी. she would start like this. A very pleasant morning to my dear students. And Tanya Pandey, I was like, यार क्या बोल रही हैं? And she had answer to everything. Every question she had an answer to that. So I think I admire Tanya ma'am. I admire Arushi ma'am, because the kind of hard work she puts in, मैंने उतना हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन किसी को नहीं देखा है. वो खाएंगी नहीं पिएंगी नहीं, बिकॉज आई हैव डन मूट विद हर. वो खाएंगी नहीं पिएंगी नहीं. शी वुड, I mean, she's very awesome, and I think our college have very good mooters also. Ravishi Rajay, I'm saying because she's my cousin also, but she's a very good mooter. Then Mehul Khare, Raghuvan sir was a very good mooter.
One pass out, by the way.
Everybody's passed out, so अभी तो हम ही लोग mooters हैं. हमारे कॉलेज में हम लोग.
And how did you feel when I told you about the interview that I'm going to?
I was nervous, I was happy, I was privileged, क्योंकि मेरे कॉलेज के थोड़े बच्चे पीछे झांक रहे हैं, so ignore them.
It's okay.
हाँ, तो I thought कि she is cracking some kind of joke with me. मैं क्या करूँ यार, बेस्ट मूटर भी तो नहीं हूँ, ठीक ठाक जीत, बस एक तो जीत लिया है मैंने, but anyways मतलब आई रियली लाइक इट, क्योंकि यार ये बहुत प्रिविलेज की बात होती है कि आपसे कोई इतना बोले कि हम लोग यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं.
I have no idea how much I am learning. Seriously, I have no idea.
Thank you.
I'm
We
not
are
trying to
also
flatter
learning.
you.
We are also learning from our juniors. I think they are far better than us. They are will
Thank
go
you so much,
100 miles ahead. So
Hopefully,
you will. हमारे कॉलेज के हम लोग यही सब, हमारे कॉलेज जिंदाबाद.
Okay, ma'am. Last question. Any final word? Any other thing you would like to tell to a non-mooter?
To a non-mooter, please take part in the moot. ये इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि mooting is very good and ये सब, क्योंकि experience जो आपकी it will take a मतलब it will play a massive role in your personality development. पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट से बेटर कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है. आप अभी मैं आज प्रेजेंटेशन दे रही थी मेरे PIL के साथ, तो मैं क्लास में नहीं पढ़ती हूँ, उन्हें ये मालूम था. फर्स्ट टाइम आई स्पोक इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम एंड ही सेड दिस थिंग ओनली कि बेटा व्हाई डोंट यू स्पीक इन द क्लास. एंड क्योंकि आपकी पर्सनालिटी मैटर करती है, आप पेन कितना घिस लेते वो लास्ट में मैटर नहीं करता है. एंड ही गेव एन एग्जाम्पल टू अस कि हमारे एक एक्स प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे, ही वॉज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, मिस्टर मनमोहन सिंह. वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हिम. एंड बट he was very intelligent as a finance minister. He was excellent, but when he became the prime minister he didn't speak much. तो हम लोग ज़्यादा लोग उनके against हो गए because he was very quiet, उतनी personality. And then you look at a person who is just speaking and very outspoken, then you look up to that person. So personality development की प्लीज़, और वहाँ आपको इतने अच्छे लोग मिलेंगे आपको मतलब मूटिंग के टाइम कि आप समझ में आ जाएगा. मे बी मुझे अपने कॉलेज में लगता होगा, ये लोग बोलते होंगे कि मैम यू आर वेरी गुड मूटर, बट व्हेन आई गो देयर आई अंडरस्टैंड एंड आई लर्न सो मच कि मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. देयर आर पीपल हु आर हियर एंड दे आर सो हम्बल, मतलब दे आर नॉट सो प्राउड, नॉट एरोगेंट, नो ईगो. सो यू विल लर्न अ लॉट फ्रॉम देम एंड प्लीज़ मूट and you will do great because I am doing great, so I know everybody. If I can, then you can.
okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.